Hi everybody. I wanted to show you quickly a little video of how to change your language preference in Indaba. And we've made a series of upgrades to the platform in the first part of 2012 to allow for multilingual use of Indaba, which is a really key feature and use case if you think about groups and organizations and managers who need to run teams that speak different languages. So we've built some features here that allow people to do projects and create content in Indaba in the language of their choosing. So I'm going to log into the platform and show you how to change your language preference. Right now, Indaba supports English and French. We will have Spanish rolled out by early fall or late summer, possibly of 2012. And as demand dictates, we and our partners on the platform will make additional investments into other language sets. So here I am in Indaba, and everything looks normal. This should look pretty familiar to those that have used the platform. I'm going to go into my user bio here by clicking on my name. And you'll see all of my kind of contact details, my bio, the projects that I'm working on right now, some of my roles, and also a language preference. And right now it's set to English. So I can change this by editing my profile. And I could also, of course, edit these fields while I'm in here. And I'm going to choose from the drop-down now French. That's all I need to do to change my language preference. And I save. And as soon as I save, all of a sudden the system now goes to French. And you'll see all of the tabs, all of the screens, all of the text prompts, all of the cues, even up here in my browser tab window. You see everything now has gone to French. So this is a really powerful way to allow contributors in country on projects to work in a language that they're actually comfortable with rather than forcing them to have to work in English or in another default language. You'll see some of the hard-coded sort of content, like this content here about Hazel, my colleague, is not translated because it's actually submitted content for this project. But anything that is dynamically inserted into the platform from a central database in the sense of system tabs, cues, and text prompts, those can all be translated into a language preference. The things that, again, that cannot be translated are, say, the comments or the scores that people provide to a project. We don't have any kind of real-time software translation for that content, so there's still a certain amount of manual labor to potentially back translate submitted content from teams. But in terms of what the system is feeding you on a web screen, all of this now is entirely in the language of my choosing. I'm going to go back and say, change my, you can even see here, all of this stuff is in French. I'm going to change back to English since my French is pretty weak and I don't want to actually work in French when I next log in. Even the privacy policy here pops up in French. And now we're back to English, and that's as simple as it. So again, in the future, this drop-down is going to include Spanish, and I suspect very soon, in the next several months, it will include other language sets as other groups tell us that they need those languages. So that's it. That's how you change your language preferences in Indaba. Thanks.